everybody, Scott Medlock here. Just another nice sunny day in mid-Missouri. We're going to do a little more work on the trailer here. I've got my garage set up again, and got the trailer in here. I don't know what you can see because it's pretty dark, but as you can see right here, I went and bought me some steel. I can start making the slide axles. I went over to a place called Haslag Steel in Washington, Missouri. I sent them an email, told them what I wanted, and come and got it the next day. So I was pretty happy about that. And so now we're going to see if my measurements are right and all that. But before I get into that, I'm going to go ahead and cut off all of these things that stick out. I was just going to cut off a couple of them, but now I think I'm going to cut off all of them because they're just really a pain to walk around the trailer on. And I think I'm going to do something different for the deck anyways. So give me a few minutes and I'll see if I can figure out how to put you guys up on a stand so you can watch the progress. Hey everybody, it's been a little bit of a day. It's a little after 5 o'clock in the evening. So I'm going to show you what I've got done today. Changed my mind a little bit. I decided not to cut these off just yet. But I wanted to get to work on putting these in here. So in order to get my truck built, I'm going to call it a truck when you put two wheels together on a frame, and it's called a truck, I guess. I don't know. Anyhow, I got this piece welded on across there, and over here I got this piece welded on, and I just got it welded onto the spring shackles. And before I done that, I cut the spring shackles free on this side. So all I have to do is cut the other side. So when I get ready to put my 4x4 angle, that thing there, I'll put it underneath the rail, and it'll come all the way out to the end of the 2x2. So, making progress. I did make a mistake when I ordered the steel. As you can see, this cross member here is long enough to sit on top. Well, that's because in my quick thinking of an hour and a half, I forgot to subtract 2 inches. I took 2 inches off for one side, but I didn't take 2 inches off for the other. So I'll cut those down maybe tomorrow, and we'll see how that goes. So, till next time, thanks for watching.